Hi, I'm Todd Cooperrider with Esoteric and welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question is, do I need to use GYEON Prep between coating layers? Let me explain where that question is coming from. A lot of times people are working with coatings, maybe they're doing a 2-layer system, a base layer of Miyabi from Kamikaze topped with ISM 1.0, for instance, of our most popular combinations that we have. And what happens is they put the first layer down, and part of the prep process before you do your first layer is you take GYEON Prep, clean up the surface, make sure it's a clean surface so you get a good bond on there. And then what people may do sometimes is they may do their first layer later in the afternoon and then their second layer the next morning, which we don't recommend. It's best to do those back to back. We recommend waiting in about an hour to do that. You also don't want to coat it in the morning and come back late in the day. You want to do it soon, but not too soon. But they'll want to know, okay, do I need to do prep, or maybe there's some dust on it? What do I need to do? Well, the short answer is no, you do not want to use prep between layers. By doing that, you could adversely affect the bond of the coatings, the top layer going on to the base layer. Now, if you've waited and you've got a little bit of dust on it, don't worry about that too much. It's not going to be that big of a deal. What we do is take a nice, clean, high quality microfiber, literally just drag it back and forth on the surface to try to get the dust removed. You don't need to use any pressure. You don't need to use any kind of cleaner. It's not going to have any kind of effect on it. So going back to answer the question, no, you don't need to. If you're doing multiple layers, it's best to do them in the same day as opposed to one in the morning, one at night. You want to learn more about coatings and some of the ins and outs of applying them. We're going to link you next to a playlist, everything to do about coatings. There's a lot more information there available for you.